One F124. This game, developed by Codemasters and EA Sports, was released on May 31st, 2024. It includes a modern career mode, the ability to play as Formula 1 and Formula 2 drivers, and features like Fan Zone. Available on PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Xbox One, Xbox Series XOS, and Windows. Technorat 2, Test Drive Unlimited Solar Crown. This open-world racing game, developed by KT Racing and Nacon, was released on September 12, 2024. It features a 1.1 scale recreation of Hong Kong Island and includes multiplayer and customization features. Available on PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X, and Windows. Three, Monster Jam Showdown. Developed by Milestone, this monster truck racing game was released on August 29, 2024. Built using Unreal Engine 5, it includes off-road racing and stunt modes. Available on PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Xbox One, Xbox Series XS, Nintendo Switch, and PC. So 4, Le Mans Ultimate. This simulation racing game, developed by Studio 397, was released via Steam Early Access on February 20th, 2024. It holds the official license for the FIA World Endurance Championship and the 24 Hours of Le Mans, featuring Hypercar, LMP2, GTE, and LMGT3 vehicles. Available for Windows. On a 5, Hot Wheels Race Off IRE. This arcade-style racing game, developed by Hutch Games and Mattel, was re-released for iOS via Apple Arcade on December 5th, 2024. Based on Hot Wheels toy cars, it includes both single-player and multiplayer modes. All of these games offer a variety of racing experiences, including simulation, arcade, open world, and off-road racing modes, allowing players to choose based on their preferences.